Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share about SIFENE 3-in-1 single-serve coffee maker for K-pods, ground coffee and loose leaf tea, custom temperature and strength control. Details. Product. This versatile coffee machine not only brews ground coffee and your favorite loose leaf tea, but it also works beautifully with most K-pod capsules. It's the ultimate partner for your kitchen or workplace. Our strength control feature allows personalized brewing. Choose from 6 to 10 ounces sizes, modulate the strength of your coffee, and enjoy your perfect cup while reducing coffee waste. Get ready to craft your coffee just the way you want it. Discover the convenience of brewing your preferred loose leaf tea with our coffee and tea maker's 3 filters and precise temperature control. Time to say goodbye to your old kettle. This single-serve coffee maker is crafted for uncomplicated cleaning. Its removable parts are all dishwasher friendly. Experience lifelong customer service with SIFENE. Buy with confidence. Our satisfaction guarantee means that if you're not happy, we'll either replace your product or give you a refund. Thanks for watching my video. Get best price and discount about this product by link in description. See you.